So within Blender, maybe you want to hide the grid and also the axis. We see the x-axis and the y-axis over here. To do that, you can go at the top on overlay, you can uncheck the floor, and you can also uncheck the axis, the x and the y-axis. And now you can take full control of the visualization with material over here. So for example, I can go shading with materials, and we're gonna see how Blender will swap the scene, will load all those textures, so you can better see the final model. At the same time, if you want to hide other elements, for example, I have a car rig over here. I can select the car rig, and afterwards, if you're going to press H, that will hide those elements. So in this case, we can see that this is a little bit laggy because the model is quite high detail and this computer is quite old. But now I have that selected, I can press H to have it hidden. And we can do the same also with the empty axis over here. So this should hide, which is the rig. Afterwards I can select the axis. Another workaround would be to hide those while we are still in solid visibility, because over here the performance will be heavily improved. As you can see, as soon as I swapped, I have the possibility to select all of those and hide them. And now I can go closer to the car, I can reactivate shading with materials, and I will be closer to, let's say, a preview of the materials position on the model. So let's see, I didn't click that, now I clicked it again, and we should see Blender now loading those materials. We see we have materials for the headlights, we also have a decal on the car. Also, if you wonder where the car is, this is available within Blender Kit. If you're gonna search it on the models as car, as we see at the top, you will find this police car. Okay, so I hope that you find this video useful. I'm gonna position a similar video to the left and a subscribe button to the right. Thanks for watching.